Welcome. Bienvenido a la cocina de Laura Vanessa. ¿Qué vas a hacer? Ok, aquí tienes. Aquí tienes los productos. Laura is making some ceviche. ¿Y tú? ¿Puedo probar?
Yeah,
Is it done? It's well done.
Nah, I like this stuff. This particular meat, well done.
Nice.
It tastes different.
Nice. What do you put? Garlic, pepper, and salt?
Just usually just salt and butter.
Butter.
Eat salt usually.
Well, this is good meat, Jimbo.
Yeah, it's that I like it.
It's really good meat. I'd put more salt though. Here at one of the Canuto place. Canuto is the root word is casa. Casa, which is house. So basically, it's home food. This is a vegetable soup, tomato, and vegetable. You get a mango, and it's 17,500, which is $4.36. And it comes with chose chicken, protein dish. Chicken, usually rice, and a little bit of salad. Beautiful Medellin. Great weather here. Probably 78, 80 degrees. City of Eternal Spring. $4.36 for this whole meal. So, the Charles Schwab card and Da Vivienda. This is the best way to get cash out because you don't, they don't charge you commission. You decline the commission screen, and there's no fees. The Charles Schwab card reimburses your fees, and Da Vivienda doesn't charge you a fee. And you can take up to 2 million Colombian pesos. 2 million. So today I'm going to do a little bit less. And so this is the conversion screen. It's 8.5%. What you want to do is decline, and the machine will give you the cash. So, there it is. Voila. Make sure you get your card. Don't forget the card. A little bit slow. There it is. That's great. And there it is. Charles Schwab. City of Eternal Spring. Hey, it's Tony.
Thank you for watching my videos. If you could please subscribe, hit the button down below, and also the thumbs up. And that's the like, by the way. And then if you could write me a comment, that would be great. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, where in the world you like me to go and film. And also, if you could click on the bell. The bell notifies you, gives you notification next time I have uploaded a video and something for you new to see. Thank you so much for watching.
Fontainebleau, Bahia Leblon. The buildings all have a name, usually from someplace around the world. Kind of cool. Palmares. And these beautiful royal palms. And so when you drive here, there's no stop signs. Stop signs are words on the street which says pare, which means stop. That means stop. That's the stop sign. Here they actually have no stop, no pare. They have the right of way. But it's kind of weird because if you're driving here on this street, you have to know that these people are going to stop for you. But, you know, it's very modern. Laureles is upper middle class neighborhood. You see people out walking their pets. It's a sign that you know, it's middle to upper class, so it's kind of a nice neighborhood. Get some ice cream. Yeah. Caramello. Caramello. ¿Cuánto es? 5. Oh. So anyway, here with my buddy Jimbo. No armas.
Don't give out location. A good place to live.
No, we don't want this place flooded with gringos. We're here in our hood in Medellin, cracking open a dorada. And hola. ¿Qué tal, Julio? ¿Cómo estás?
Oh, I like that.
Yes. Estás en la cámara.
Is that which one is that? The 360 or which one is that?
Yeah, the Max, GoPro Max.
I like that.
Two lenses.
What is it, about 600?
With this, I think it was like 350. Then with this, and then the SIM card, it came out to like about 5 or 6.
I have the 8.
8.
The 8, and I have it with the microphone thing.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, I have it with the microphone thing, and I also got the light.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's basically it's a
Cool. We're taking a walk, an 8-minute walk to Canuto's Pizzeria, Italian pizzeria. You want to go?
I'm getting sick, like really bad, like the flu. So
I had it when I came here, like the first 4 days. He don't get sick. All right, let's go to Canuto's. Chee-hoo. So we are at Canuto's Pizza in Medellin. Hey, is it open? Fuck. It's got a nice little courtyard. Gravel courtyard. Dude, there's nobody here. Is the oven even on? I know they're open, but is the oven on? ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿ustedes?
Eres... No muy bien, no. Okay. Me golpea en la cabeza. ¿Eres italiana? ¿Te llamas Canuto?
No. Canuto se llama nuestro perro.
Pejo.
Sí.
So the dog is called Canuto. ¿Y por qué? ¿Es italiano el perro?
No, es nuestro perro y quisimos ponerle así a la pizzería.
Ah, ok.
Por puro capricho.
Ah, ustedes son colombianos y hacen una pizza italiana.
Tipo romana, sí. La
Sí,
masa delgada y tostada.
porque yo soy de New Jersey, Nueva York, entonces soy pizza connoisseur.
Qué lindo el perro.
Muchas gracias. Él es
Tie-
nuestra mascota.
¿Tienes en el Google Maps, tienes una pizza de prosciutto?
Sí.
¿Qué prosciutto usas? ¿Serrano?
Sí.
¿Parma? No.
No, serrano.
Ok.
Serrano y ya el resto tengo chorizo español, salami, pimienta y pepperoni.
Todo eso.
Sí. Hay una Magnus que lo lleva a todos.
Normalmente es arúgula y...
Exacto, nosotros hacemos una margareta
Ajá.
y le ponemos...
¿Tienes
prosciutto
arúgula o
encima.
no? No
¿Cómo?
tienes. ¿Tienes arúgula?
Tengo albahaca fresca.
Albahaca.
Sí.
Ok.
Muchas gracias.
¿Y la pizza de tamaño es?
Tengo dos tamaños. Tengo una pequeña,
Ujú.
que es una pizzeta de este tamaño.
¿Puedo grabar?
Sí, claro. Bienvenido.
¿Y esa cerveza?
Cerveza artesanal. Es una cerveza muy buena que hace un colega mío.
¡Wow!
Kashmir. Esas son
Wow.
muestras, pero puedes tomarlas, claro, con mucho
Sí,
gusto.
sí, sí, sí.
Hay todas disponibles, todas son muy buenas.
Dragon Verde. Look, Jimbo, 7% alcohol. That's some fun, huh? Bastarda, that's for you. Montañera, miel imperial, wow. An ale, not a stout.
Ask if they have chicken wings. Non-bread.
Ah, tienes chicken wings? It's a pizzeria.
Aquí en el segundo parque.
Disculpe, el otro tamaño es así.
Se sale un poco del plato.
¿Cuánto cuesta esta pizza? Así
por
el de prosciutto.
La florentina. Perfecto. Flaca, ¿tú sabes cuánto cuesta la florentina? Pues déjame ver el menú, es que está digital y como yo soy el pizzero,
Entiendo.
No
No hay
conozco el
problema.
precio.
No hay problema. Oh, this is nice. I could work here.
Yeah, I know, that's what I was thinking too.
¿A qué hora abres?
Sí, nosotros todo el mundo, todos los días normalmente abrimos a las 11, pero si quieres hacer una reserva...
Abres para almorzar.
Sí, señor.
Oh, I could come here for lunch and work. Muy lindo.
Muchas gracias, bienvenido. Aquí hay otra sala adentro, mira, bien puede así, que qué pena. Es que aquí es donde tenemos el bakery. Nosotros
nice.
hacemos el pan de masa madre y eso.
Wow.
Entonces, acá hay un lugar un poco más acogedor.
So cool.
Sí, es un espacio, sí, de pronto algo más tranquilo.
Sí, para trabajar aquí puedo.
Exactamente, y tenemos también wifi.
Okay, I like it. Alina's making pizza, and she's taking care of Canuto, the dog.
Taking my shirt.
Let's check this out. Whoa! Forget about it. All right. Yeah, really cool. It's a little bit burned. Mucho quemado, pero está bien. All right. Canutos.